In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort by a specific column in Google Sheets. Whether you're working on organizing data for a project or just want to tidy up your spreadsheet, sorting by a specific column is a powerful tool. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, open up your Google Sheet where you need to perform the sorting action. If you haven't already, log into your Google account, navigate to Google Sheets, and select the file you're working on. This is where we'll start our task. Now that you have your spreadsheet open, the next step is to highlight the entire range of cells that you want to sort. This is important because you need to include not just the column you wish to sort by, but also any other columns that should move with it. Keeping everything selected ensures that your data remains intact and properly aligned. Once you have selected your desired range, look at the top menu of your Google Sheets and click on Data. This triggers a drop-down menu offering various options for data manipulation. From this drop-down menu, you want to select Sort Range. This action will allow you to specify how you want to sort your selected data range. It's a crucial step, as it opens up the advanced options necessary for sorting based on specific criteria. Click on Advanced Range Sorting Options next. This option allows you to fine-tune your sorting needs. It ensures you have control over how the data is organized, rather than using a default setting which may not meet your requirements. In the Sort By drop-down menu, you'll be able to choose the specific column you want to sort by. It's vital to ensure you select the correct column here, as this choice defines the basis on which the entire selected range will be sorted. After you've chosen your column, specify your desired order. You have two options: A, Z for ascending order, or Z, A for descending order. Your choice here will dictate whether, for instance, numbers or alphabetical entries are sorted from smallest to largest, or vice versa. This is especially useful depending on what kind of data you're working with, be it dates, numbers, or text. Finally, once all your options are selected, click on Sort. This will apply all the settings you've chosen and rearrange your data as per your specifications. And there you have it. Your data should now be perfectly sorted according to the column you specified. This simple yet powerful method of sorting can make a huge difference in how you work with your spreadsheets. Whether it's for personal organization or presenting professional data, knowing how to sort by a specific column can save you time and help clarify your information. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps make your data management tasks all the more efficient.